Hello everyone! In today's video we're gonna turn this broken Android tablet into a portable gaming console. But before we begin, let's say thanks to PCBWay for sponsoring this video. PCBWay has everything you need to bring your idea to reality, whether it's injection molding, 3D printing, circuit prototyping, or CNC machining. They got you covered. Also, they have a lot of electronic tips and tricks on their website. Do check them out, link in the description below. So, this Android tablet I found without a touchscreen and case. Apparently somebody attempted to replace probably the touchscreen, but managed to destroy the plastic around it, which is now melted. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to 3D print a new case with buttons, and I'm going to use this USB keyboard in order to control it, since it's the only way that I can control the user interface and the tablet itself. So it will have D-pad on the left side and action button on the right side. So let's get started. So I'm going to take some measurement and design the case. Unfortunately, my small laptop is a little bit malfunctioning right now. It doesn't boot. Probably I have to reinstall Windows. So I'm going to make the design on another computer, and we'll just 3D print the case and install the buttons. Okay, so the 3D printing of the case went fine. I had to 3D print two parts because this dimension is too big for my 3D printer to print it all at once. So I will just glue these two parts together. And I will put two boards with buttons here and at the D-pad. Okay, so with this done, we're now going to do the wiring, connecting the keyboard chip to the button and to the USB port of the tablet. So now I will connect the wires using this schematic. I'll connect the USB port and then the wires. So with the wiring completed, we're now going to assemble everything inside the case. I also already 3D printed the buttons, so let's put it all together and test. So now I'm going to drill a few more holes for the power button and the 2 volume buttons, as well as a cutout for the micro SD slot. And also this tablet has a dedicated charging port here. So for that I will use a USB Type-C that will take care of the charging only, because the micro USB is now used by the USB keyboard chip. So I'll just connect some wires from its proprietary charging port to the USB-C module, which I will probably put here somewhere, so I can hold it and charge in the same time. Okay, with the final part in place, let's put the cover that I also 3D printed in 2 parts, and let's test everything. So the casing is finished almost. Maybe in the future I will 3D print some small plastic parts and put 2 more extra screws here and here and here and here, but for now it's good. I will do it another time. It's way past midnight here now, so let's just turn it on and test the buttons if they are working. Not really sure which one is the power button. This one. Ah, this one. It seems I put it upside down, but it doesn't matter since it's an Android tablet. The screen will rotate automatically. So let's see the arrow keys. Down, up, down, left, right. Yes, the arrow keys are working fine. These are the letter keys. This is K, works fine. This is L, works fine. M works okay. J works okay. Dot works okay. This is the enter key. Also it's working, we're not connected to the internet. And these are the escape key that will help us into navigating on the tablet. This is the tab. One of them is alt key, one of them is tab key, in order to be able to switch between tasks. So if I can press both of them in the same time, the tab switching should appear, but it's quite difficult pressing both of them in the same time. Let's see, like this. Yes, it's working, switching between tasks. So, yeah, basically the buttons are working. So now I will install some emulators and some games, and let's see how it will run. I just realized that I forgot 2 things. I forgot to put the speaker and my logo. So let's solder the sticker first. Okay, so I've installed a few emulators and put some games. So let's start with Game Boy emulator. Doom is running, but I can't seems to control it without a touchscreen. Enter doesn't work for some reason. So and now the moment you all been waiting for. Let's see Half-Life. So I've remapped the keys. The arrow keys are the movement. This will be start right, start left, lock up, lock down. This is the shoot button, the attack button. This is the secondary fire button. So in the end of the video, I'll let you with this Black Mesa trip.
This train is inbound from level 3 dormitories to Sector C test labs and control facilities. If your intended destination is a high security area beyond Sector C, you will need to return to the central transit hub in Area 9 and board a high security train. If you have not yet submitted your identity to the retinal clearance system, you must report to Black Mesa personnel for processing before you will be permitted into the high security branch of the transit system.
I haven't figured a way to remove these squares, which were actually the touch controller, but this tablet doesn't have a touchscreen anymore, so they are useless, but I don't know how to get rid of them.
Please keep your limbs inside the train at all times. Do not attempt to open the doors
So,
until the
thanks a
train
lot
is
for watching, and see you in the next video.
the station platform. In the event of an emergency, passengers are to remain seated and await further instruction. If it is necessary to exit the train, disabled personnel should be evacuated first. Please stay away from electrified rails and proceed to an emergency station until assistance arrives. Black Mesa Hazard Course Decathlon will commence this evening at 1900 hours in the Level 3 facility.